Hey folks, we've got another Viking Electronics product short. My name's Andrew and today we're focused on the K1700 IP entry system. The K1700 series IP entry system is made up of 4 models. I'm showing them all here in the stainless steel finish, but I want you to know up front they are also available in oil rubbed bronze. The base model K-1700-IP has a keypad and call button for two-way voice communication. The keypad is also used for keyless entry. This next model here, the K-1705-IP, has the same keypad and call button, and it also adds an analog camera to the mix. This is the K-1770-IP. Instead of the analog camera, it has a 26-bit Wiegand proximity card or proximity fob reader. And lastly, we've got the K-1775-IP, which features everything mentioned. It's got the keypad, the call button, analog camera, and the proximity card reader. Well, like I said earlier, each model here is available in stainless steel or in oil rub bronzed finish. They are also available as either indoor rated or outdoor rated models. Viking's enhanced weather protection feature, EWP, is available on all of these models. Check the links in the description below for more information on EWP. Another important note before we move on, the 1700 series comes with a flush mount back box. It has conduit knockouts in the side and on the bottom. That is included with your purchase of the entry system. I've got the 1770 mounted into a model VE-6X7 which does not have a rain guard here. And I've got the 1775, the K-1775, mounted into the VE-6X7 which does have that rain guard. These are your surface mount boxes. These 6x7-inch boxes are made for the K1700 IP and analog series devices. They are sold separately, but they're gonna be a good fit. Check out the description section for links to these surface mount boxes so you can see the full variety and that whole family. Unlike their analog counterparts, these K1700 IP series entry systems have built-in storage. They've all got memory for 250 primary tenant numbers and 250 rollover numbers in case there's a busy or no answer signal at the first number. These K1700 IP entry systems will also store up to 1,000 keyless entry codes on the keypad and proximity card or fob numbers right inside the memory. Even the K1700 and the K1705 IP that don't have the built-in proximity readers, they do have attachments for an external proximity reader. Say I've got a vehicle gate to keep people in at a parking garage or keep people out at a parking garage. I could use the K1705-IP with Viking model PRX-3, which is a long-range card reader. That way people who have regular passes to the parking garage can come scan their badge at a long range so they're not having to hang out of the car. These K1700 IP entry systems have 2 onboard relays that have flexible programming options. You could use a touch-tone command to buzz a door. You can have the call button also trigger a doorbell inside. You could even have it trigger lights or security cameras. Check out the description below for all of the programming options. Speaking of programming, these entry systems are programmed using a software GUI that's included with your purchase of the device. This is where you enter your relay functionality, keypad codes, your primary call numbers, etc. Programming can be done locally or remotely. One thing I think is really neat about these entry systems, if you've got multiple access points and therefore multiple K1700 IP series entry systems, you can program one and then actually export the programming and then upload it almost like copy-paste to each different entry system. An important thing to note, these K1700 IP series entry systems are PoE powered. They're going to connect with an RJ45 connection back to a PoE switch, and your IP phone system is going to recognize them as third-party SIP endpoints. Okay, last thing, these K1700 IP entry systems are compatible with Viking model RC-4A. If you have an application requiring an additional layer of security, The RC-4A will communicate with these entry systems to operate a relay from a remote location. Thanks for tuning into this Viking Electronics product short about the K1700 IP entry systems. We've covered a lot of information, so be sure to check out the description section below for more links and leave a comment. Let us know if there's more you'd like to know on these videos. Please click like, subscribe, share this video. It definitely helps us out and we appreciate it. I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics. I'll see you next time. So that people can scan their badge in and not have to hang out of the windows of their car, especially if it's raining or in the wintertime here in Minnesota or Wisconsin. We're technically in Wisconsin. Aren't having to, hang all the way out of their car.